Here is my body conditioning routine. I'll just get on with it and stop talking. Normally do, depending on my mood, 50 to 100 a side. But to quicken this up, I'll do less reps. Just use your imagination and imagine me doing that 50 to 100 times instead of the 20 or 30 that I've done. Now, afterwards, I'll just do HIIT equals 3. Now you can either do or you can just do it like this, you know, either way is good. Next, ridge hand. Change over. Palm strikes. Change sides. Then I come over here to this post and arms, first of all forearms. Back of the arm. Then this one is good for bone density. Now, rib cage. stomach, you can use the stick. I also will use the stick for the outside of the leg, because in, for example, kickboxing, Muay Thai, they kick in the legs to cause muscular fatigue in the legs. So using the stick on the outside of the legs is a good idea. For stomach, I prefer to use a kettlebell because it more resembles a punch than using a stick. Now, for shins, I'll do inside of the leg first. For inside of the leg, just, now what I usually do is use this bag. I'll kind of squat down. If you can come around here, this is what I do. But of course, normally I would tie the bag and keep adjusting the level. For shins, I'll kick my shin against the bag. And then change side. Feet. Now feet should be, your feet are really unconditioned because many people are wearing shoes which protect the feet. I've been walking barefoot now for about a year. Quite often I'll run up and down here in barefoot, walk on concrete in barefoot, and it builds up the bottom of your foot. But for the top of your foot, again, I'm going to kick this with my foot. Again, remember over here where I was slapping the tree, I'm slapping with my foot instead. And there it is, my full body conditioning routine. Subscribe for more.